Hello, everyone. Let's see how we can create a lead list from LinkedIn search in GetReplies.
You can extract a list of prospects from LinkedIn People Search. First, head to LinkedIn and search for desired designation or industry, or the company you want. Then click on the People tab and click on All Filters. Here you can select different filters like desired locations, current companies, connections of, etc., to create highly targeted search. For now, we will only use these filters. Then click on Show Results. Now copy the URL of the page and head back to the product and paste the link. Select the desired number of contacts to import. Select your LinkedIn account and enter a desired list name and hit Start Import. Wait for a few moments for the list to build.
A few moments later.
And voila, your list is ready, and now you can start reaching out to your leads.